Hello, in front of me I've got iPhone 13. In this video I'll show you all camera modes and settings. Let's open camera. And as you can see right now, we've got photo mode in front camera. Also we've got video, cinematic video, slow-mo, time-lapse, portrait and pano. And now let's open settings. Search for camera. And here we've got all settings for camera. We can change formats, resolution, we can set modes, turn off or on grid, mirrored from camera, view outside the frame, lens correction, prioritize faster shooting, and photographic styles. And that's all for camera modes and settings. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe